Sources of water. Water is found in abundance. Still, there is shortage of water at many places on Earth. There are so many lakes and rivers besides huge oceans. Still, there is shortage of water because the water of oceans is saline. Water of lakes and rivers is often contaminated and cannot be used by us. The only usable source is, therefore, the groundwater or water that lies deep inside the Earth's surface. Let's know more about the sources of water. Rainfall. Rain is the water that falls in drops from the clouds in the sky. It can be collected in containers and used for different purposes. While falling down, several impurities mix with it like smoke and dust particles. Therefore, it does not remain fit for drinking. However, it can be used for irrigation, washing, etc. When rainwater reaches the land, it flows in different directions and also joins the adjoining river or lake. Some part of rainwater is absorbed by the land and some is evaporated in the atmosphere. River. When a large volume of water flows in a channel, it is called a river. Most rivers originate in the mountains and are fed by the glaciers. Therefore, they remain filled with water throughout the year. Some rivers are only rain-fed. After originating from the mountains, the river flows in plains and then joins the sea. In the plains, it passes through several cities. Many people throw garbage and release sewage in it. Its water, therefore, gets polluted and does not remain fit for use. Lake. A lake is a body of water that does not flow. It is like a big depression filled with water. Lake water is stagnant, and many people throw garbage in it and pollutes the lake. Many microorganisms also grow in the lake, thus its water is not fit for drinking. Lakes often develop as a tourist spot for boating. Sea or ocean. The ocean is the biggest body of water on Earth, covering lakhs of miles. Margins of ocean are called seas. Most part of Earth is covered by ocean water. Oceans are several kilometers deep. Their water cannot be used by man because it contains salt. It is saline. However, most of the rain is a result of evaporation from ocean. Salt present in seawater can be obtained by spreading seawater in areas called saltern. Here, water is evaporated in sunlight and salt remains deposited on the ground. It is later cleaned and processed in salt factories and then sold in shops. Groundwater. Water that is found below the Earth's surface is called groundwater. It is the only source of clean water that is available to us for drinking. This is developed by rainfall. Rainwater absorbed by land accumulates as the groundwater. While going down, it passes through several layers of sand and gravel, filtering the water. We use different techniques to extract this water. Hand pump is made by fixing a pipe in land. Pump is operated manually. A well is made by digging a big hole in land. A bucket is tied with a rope and thrown in the well. Bucket submerges in water and then pulled back with the rope. When a large amount of water is required for irrigation, Farmers use animal power to extract water from the well. Tube well is a modern technique that extracts water in large quantity with the help of a machine.